How to check display of any iPhone is original or fake, especially after a screen replacement. So, first of all you have to do is check the true tone. True tone disappears when a non-genuine screen is installed, even if it is a high quality copy. First of all you have to do is go to the settings from your iPhone's home screen. Once inside the settings, scroll down and tap on the display and brightness. Then inside there, look for the true tone and toggle it. If you see true tone, likely an original display or properly calibrated, then everything is fine. But if missing, screen may be non-genuine or not calibrated during repair. Even high quality fake displays often lack true tone because Apple does not allow transferring the calibration data easily. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.